A very good day to Puan Nurul Fitra and also fellow friends. My topic today is regarding 21st century learning in digital education. My list contents about my topic is introductions, roles and responsibilities of 21st century, adopt in digital educations, the best digital learning environment in 21st century, and learners can cultivate a growth mindset with effectively engage with new technologies and learning opportunities, emotional skills and social interact, and with the conclusions. Introduction in 21st century learning process is bring a unique set of characteristics and expectations, demanding a shift in traditional pedagogical approaches. As the world become more globally connected and integrated, individual ignore and increasing internationalizations of educations. The roles and responsibilities in 21st century learners adopt in digital educations. These roles involve not just acquiring knowledge pledge, other than that to develop skills and enable them to navigate, analyze and contribute effectively to the digital world. They must be self-directed learning that students to take responsibilities for their own learning using digital educations and to be more proactive in searching informations, setting goals and achievements, thus managing their time effectively by novels in 1975. Significantly to be critical thinking and problem solving, learners must have developed analytic skills to evaluate online information critically and replenish creditable sources and to solve globally problems by using digital tools. Gradually, these learners should be more alert to accomplish when the problem solving and by these specific responsibilities might help them to absorb knowledge. The learners should engage in teamwork on digital platform facilities, collaborations through discussion forum, virtual teams, and share documents to contribute constructively to group activities. Learners should responsible digital citizens. Behavior is essential, must understand internet ethics and data privacy, cyberbullying, and intellectual properties right to ensure a safe and respectful online environment. The learners will effective in communicator during using the digital communications called skill after key. The best digital learning environment in 21st century, engagement and personalization in virtual and augmented immersive technologies like VR and AR, personalized learning that adaptive learning system that implementation, content and pace individual students' needs. Collaborative learning is online studies that facilitates group project, peer-to-peer learning and knowledge. Learners can cultivate a growth mindset and effectively engage with new technologies and learning opportunities. Adopt a growth mindset is trust that capable on abilities with intelligence to develop through dedicated and hard work. Embrace challenges rather than avoid difficulty tasks as opportunities to grow learners. Learners from failure that reflective on what went wrong and understanding how to improve will foster resilience. Focus on progress. Learners should focus on their personal growth instead of comparing themselves to others. Open to continuous learning on demand technology, adopt lifelong learning habits that is essential for keeping skills relevant and growing. Engage with new technologies, tools, and resources can be intimidating. Start small with begin by exploring the basic of a new technology and trying to master everything at once can be overwhelming and take small steps to understand the fundamentals and gradually export the skills. Importance of emotional skills and social interactions that are critical for learning environment. Emotional regulations and self-motivation in digital learning environment, learners will be more isolated compared traditional classrooms perspective. Managing frustrations due to emotional regulation skills, anxiety and stress which can hinder progress in self-paced or online learning. building self-awareness and confidence, which can boost their confidence, and learners understands their strength, weakness, learning styles. Now we come to the conclusion. The conclusion of using with this assess learners exhibit critical thinking, problem solving skills, collaboration, creativity, motivations, and adaptability. In education today's integrate literacy and implementations on skills of technologies is becoming vibes. I already end up with my topics, and thank you very much to Puan Nurul Fitra and also fellow friends. I hope everyone give me a full of support, and I already distributes and explain what is the benefits on the 21st century learning in digital globally. Thank you very much.